How to use ChatGPT by OpenAI for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video, we are going to be discussing about ChatGPT and how you can use this incredible AI bot to basically, do all the essential things that an AI bot can do for you. I don't think there's anything that this chatbot can do. So we're going to be discussing all of that in this video, and we're going to be going through all the great details to, fully discuss the depth of this topic, okay? And it's going to be really fun. It's going to be really easy to understand, and we're going to have a lot of fun with this topic. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end to, fully learn all the details about this topic. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, to start things off, let's discuss how you're going to actually, sign up with ChatGPT. So to sign up with ChatGPT, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the OpenAI main website. So you're going to go over to openai.com. So here you are in openai.com. Great company for AI. They're, possibly running AI right now. So creating safe AGI that benefits all of humanity. So obviously, to see their products, you're going to come up here into the product section. In here, you can see ChatGPT, GPT-4, DALL-E 2. Now, obviously, we want to use ChatGPT, so we're going to click on that. So here we are. Let's create ChatGPT, get instant answers, find creative inspiration, and learn something new. Use ChatGPT for free right now. So for free, you're going to click on Try on Web from here, and as you can see, you're going to be redirected to this page. Now, obviously, at first, it might have you might get confused with the interface and all, because obviously there's a lot of prompts in text box, and obviously a lot of things are going on in this section. So to prevent this confusion, I am here for you because I'm going to tell you all the things that you're going to be doing to do stuff, and how you're going to use this for different things. So first and foremost, the first thing that you're going to use, or you can use ChatGPT for, okay, is basically doing anything related your university or school or college or assignments, okay? Now, in that, obviously, content creation can also be involved, because for schools and colleges, you write essays or articles or letters, or maybe fulfill assignments. Same goes with content writing or content creation, because we write scripts, or you can write blog posts. You can write proper. You may be on the Fiverr marketplace, freelancing, and people require your writing services, so you can use that as well. So let's say I'm going to write me an essay on, let's say, the Constitution in the medieval times. Okay? A very random topic. There you go. Constitution in medieval times, an exploration of governance. The medieval period, spanning roughly from 5th to 15th century, was characterized by feudalism, religious influence, and monarchical rule. During this era, the concept of a written constitution as we understand it today did not exist. And as you can see, it keeps on going on and on with the essay. It keeps on providing us with the necessary information and, really good stuff. So that's obviously one of the ways that you can use ChatGPT. Another way would be to translate things, okay? So let's say you're sitting on a website and there's a few lines of text on that website that you don't understand, okay? So what if you want to understand that text? So to understand that text, what we're going to do is basically take that text and bring it to ChatGPT. So when we bring it to ChatGPT, what's going to happen from there on out? So let's say we want to translate a text. So, hi, my name is Jacob, and I am pleased to meet you. Now you're going to write translate this to, let's say, French, okay? And then we're going to wait for it to translate. And there you go. Bonjour, Jacob. And then obviously they give us the French translation. And you can also translate to many other languages. So translate this to ancient Greek. Okay, enter that. And there you go. There's ancient Greek. And then you can translate it even more. Translate this to, maybe Hindi or any type of other Punjabi language that you have. So look at that. And it's really, really great stuff. So, you get the whole, main gist of it. Really great, really epic stuff that you can add into your, repertoire. Now, moving on, let's discuss one more tip. So, the next tip that you can actually use on using ChatGPT is basically how it can allow you to solve any type of equation. So let's say you have a complicated calculus question. Okay. So challenge problems for calculus students. Let's take a very tricky calculus question and let's paste it. So I'm gonna write prove that. Yeah, there we go. Now I'm gonna copy, go in ChatGPT. There we go, and paste it. So let's see if it proves it. So prove that this is equal to this. So to prove that, we use a combination of algebraic manipulation and properties of exponential and logarithmic functions. And as you can see, it gives us the whole description. It gives us the whole data in detail. And that's one of the best things about ChatGPT. Like, it doesn't beat around the bush. It actually goes in and tells you the whole thing. And you can also regenerate response if you didn't like this response. So that's also totally upon you. And then they could also be like big boy questions, if you may. So let's say I take this question, and like that seems like a relatively very complicated question, because just by looking at it, you can tell that there's a lot going on with the question. So as you can see, to prove that this equation is like this, we will use induction. And as you can see, it just keeps on going on and on with the explaining, which is so terrific because, it just gives us the whole suite of explanation and detail and description. So really great and amazing stuff when it comes to your, using ChatGPT for your own benefit. So yeah, that's basically about it for this video. I hope you understood by watching this video how you can use ChatGPT and its amazing features. And I hope that it was easy for you to understand all of this. If it was, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will be seeing all of you incredible people next time. Goodbye.